So your husband was a white man?
See there?
Let me see him. Oh, he was handsome. He was a handsome man.
I used to pass there, but the work.
How did you meet our grandfather?
Grandfather.
How did you meet him? How did you meet your husband?
I used to walk on the road, go to my work, like drop out on another road, and I always seen weaving to the fence and thing. I never know he was admiring me.
Oh, he was admiring you. Okay.
Admiring me.
Wow.
I go into my little work with my babu on my shoulder, and then I was living on the property below where them lease out to people of their home, and I was living there. And he said his mother was raising two such children, and I hear him say, "Oh." They said, "What?" I said, "Don't ask you, please, I think I'm come." We didn't know what it was all about, but I wasn't insulted.
Oh.
And after, for I used to pass go down and over to my work. And then after a while, I see him come out to the pipe outside and go wash up himself, he and face whatever, and see him come down. He say him always admire.
Oh wow.
That's what I'm telling you. When he pass him going to work, up, pass and go.
So he was watching you.
And I never know.
Wow.
And he couldn't take it no more.
So that's how y'all fell in love?
And he couldn't take it no more. And his only death could separate, but he died. And leave with them. And God helped me to carry on with them. And I was working. I see a picture up there.
Right. Your marriage picture?
That's it.
Oh. That's beautiful.
It was alright. And no problem. And see some of the children them there. And
you had 5 children.
And the bigger one. Hello. Yeah. So he was still alive.
You know Ariana?
Me, your granddaughter.
Me over here, but me not know them.
You know my name?
It's not say you used to, like my children, them every Saturday we down a mama. So she would know them, but I wouldn't know. Probably if you hear the name one time, last time, that's a long story. You
know who I am?
No.
I'm Big John.
Big about you know it's a long time. So I live my life and I look after them. And the family there, you see them picture up here?
Yes.
You see? This is Pamela.
Pamela?
Yes.
Yes.
This is her. So I take good care of them as you see the picture. And that is one of them, Dean. You see me have the baby in my hand to one of them.
Oh, that's you when you were young. Okay.
This is when I'm married and have one baby. See the children them here.
Right. That's
See
your
them
children.
here? Yes, that's my children.
Right.
All that we know about. And my father, say Papa.
Your papa, where is he? Where's your dad?
No,
Is this him right here in this picture right here?
Oh yes.
Yes.
See my mother here.
All right.
See Doris here.
Oh, that's your mom.
This is Mama. This is Papa, and this is one of my brother.
Oh,
You
okay.
see. So I take these long time.
Okay.
I have them from we young. And see Pamela here.
Yes.
See the scripture, the thing that
My auntie.
when she was smaller.
These are her children. These are her children.
Who's children?
Pam children.
I don't know, no. I don't know, I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Whenever Saturday I go to Mama, we have dinner down here. She did have a little shop where Doris was working to, you know, I'll keep shop down. Over the chop up and pack up down and the main road to go on town. It's not where you see now and so it's here when we out here. You know. And then I know when the white man then used to build the highway around by the seaside. I know those days too.
You still wear her wedding
Look all
ring?
the things.
You still wear her wedding ring?
And it's the government telling me.
Grandma, can you tell me a little bit about your childhood?
What that? No,
Can
but
you,
I take no picture from
no picture. No
What?
picture.
What is it?
Just tell me a little bit about your childhood. Do you remember anything growing up?
childhood in bathroom.
No, as you grow up, can you tell me a little bit about your childhood? Do you remember anything?
Plenty we never remember. Never remember. It's a lot of things carry on our days.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Both nights was our
9?
yeah. Brother and sister. About that. We never remember for It's a
Yeah.
long time when we grew up and we gone and things. And my mother come from Port Maria.
Port Maria?
Yeah, she was an organist in the Port Maria Parish Church. And my grandfather had people land down there.
Wow.
And especially didn't come from one back district, I forget. But Papa lived there and come by out where and plant pimento. And you have a big pimento house where dry the pimento hand.
Where's your dad from?
My father is from Papa is from I think it's St. Catherine.
St.
I
Catherine?
think so long now.
Where are you from in Jamaica?
I'm Jamaica, I'm St. Mary reborn.
St. Mary Barn?
Yes. When I
Oh.
go Basil, we used to come to Basil Market with the donkey with some of the food to sell out, sweet potato and things.
Wow.
We hear about the oldest them in Basil?
No.
Oh, them used to have big shop and things. Plenty people in Basil where we didn't know. And the whole club, we go down carry out, we go down here. Things say anybody down here and him still there. Him have 2 shops. One at the crossroad before you go down. You see the church them up there. The Methodist
Oh, yeah,
church
miss
on
it.
the hill.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
day we used to go to church with my mother when we small.
Really?
Yes, man. And how you see pop up and choco up, even go in the cities not. So here did stay. Every Saturday, mama, every Sunday we go to church. We walk from where we water plus water for a go from where we live. Find up taxi and them carry nobody. But we walking was a pleasure.
That's
and
good.
Exercise.
Oh,
and
yes.
We reached there in time. And we used to carry milk and bread, drop up a water for that summer.
Grandma, I have your gap. I see you have a gap. You have a gap in your
You're welcome. No, not take no picture.